Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to close a running application on your iPad or iPhone running iOS 7. This process is shown on the iPad but will work the same on the iPhone. It's just a little easier to see on the bigger device. So we're going to talk about how to close an application. It's not often that you'll need to force close an application on your iPad. If I open up Safari and I'm just browsing the internet and maybe the app starts to act up or it's not performing like I think that it should and I want to close it and reopen it, this can easily be done. If you double tap the home button, you're going to see a list of previously used applications that are still running in the background, and this is really not a problem for your iPad. However, periodically you may want to close one. But you can see that it's totally different now. You have a large picture of the application and the icon. So if you scroll through and you want to return to a previously used application, you just tap on the picture and you're back into it. And now if I wanted to close Safari, I'm just going to swipe upward. So just grab the large picture and swipe up. You can close that as well. And press the home button one time to return to your home screen. So now I have forced those applications to close, and now they can reboot the next time that I open them, and hopefully that will fix any of the problems that we had with the application. So it's quite easy to close a running application in iOS 7. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.